And good morning, everyone. A little earlier today, 8:30 on Friday, the 5th of July, right into summer. Normally, our sales decline. They really do in the summer. It's just the thing we get through. This year, nope. Sales are on par with our top months. We also had an incredible month of June. Todd McCart, congratulations. You were the top salesperson for the month of June. Linda was extremely close behind, so you keep an eye because she's 10 years of sales champ. I don't think Linda minds though. Linda, great sales are great sales. So again, hats off to Todd for a fantastic month. How does Todd do it? Well, I can see the results coming in constantly. What that is a result of is following the training here on the top menu. Training, this right here, and also you probably want to watch this video here. Do those two, take notes, and make sure that you actually do those videos. Don't just watch the videos, do them. I've actually had a record week myself of sending people to this video who've started in the program. Now this normally happens when we have so many new silver members, and I understand it, it's completely fine. It's just a numbers game to me, that when you bring on over 100 people, you're going to get 25 of them that just don't get this for whatever reason, and that's fine, totally cool. Get to lesson 3, watch this video, do the video, get your promotion going, okay? And don't do other things. I can't believe how many people want to have their website right. They want to add this and that and the other thing, and that's all great, but don't do that until you've gotten through this video and you've started your promotion. Okay, you're looking for 100 to 200 clicks a day after your first week. Make that your goal. Also, something of note, we have our summer 25th, believe it or not, Worldprofit officially turns 25 in the months of July and August. 25 years ago we started. So we're a 25-year-old company. What can I say? We have people converting to silver or platinum for up to 5 years. You can prepay. Send in a support ticket for a quote. You save an enormous amount of money. We even had somebody ask about renewing for 10 years, which we're handling, but we would really let's stick with 1, 2, 3, or 5 year prepaid membership from silver to platinum, or just silver, or whatever you're interested in. It depends on your budget, but we can create a personalized offer for you. Okay, if you're a monitor, etc. You could be with us for 3 years so far. Everything is different for everybody. We're a community-based company, so everybody is handled personally, okay, by our president, Sandy Hunter. Okay, so keep an eye out for different flash special offers for leads and storefronts and things like that all summer, okay? Important to note. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about Amazon and eBay. How to set up these stores. I just wanted to go through it with you because it's important to just have a good understanding of what these places are. Now, if you don't know what Amazon is or eBay, you can go to their sites. They're gigantic shopping malls online. But what they allow you to do is you can sell stuff that's already listed there and get a commission on it. Very similar to ClickBank, very similar to JVZoo, very similar to Worldprofit. It's all called affiliate programs. Everything is lumped into the same. So when you sell something for Worldprofit and you get commission, that's really affiliate. You're making a sale as an affiliate. You're affiliated with the company. Okay, so silver and platinum members, same thing. Now with Amazon, you can sign up. Right here, we call this Amazon Builder, but you can go in through here and there's a help video you can watch. And what you're basically doing is you're going into Amazon, which I'll do. I'll actually go to the sign up page here and I'll probably pull up my login. And once you've done this, and you've gone through, you can then, as an Amazon associate, you are able to go through. So just wait for it to log in here. What you'll see at Amazon is the ability to link to different products, different banners that you can create and put on your website. I go through that in the help video, but just as a quick thing here, if you go to product links and then you go through their help thing, their site's a little slow. That's unusual for Amazon. So if you want to search for a product, you start with searching for something. It could be, I don't know, let's just say that you, I don't know, bicycle, Christmas ornament, you know, whatever you're interested in. It could be iPad. Okay, so you wanted to put some iPads on your website. You go into the search mode and then you can pick and get links for certain products, or you can go in Amazon to a complete area of iPads or anything like that. So what you would do is you would simply say get the link and go through there. What they're going to do is they're going to send you a whole bunch of stuff like this. All you want to do from your site is grab this little border here. You see this thing? And you say right click and copy. Now you have the ability to then take this and put this on your website at Worldprofit under website management. Now you can set up an entire store if you want to, which again is in the help video. But if you just wanted to do a particular product, you go into website management and you click on affiliate center. Right? And affiliate center, again, it's super important before you do anything in these areas to watch the help videos. Get familiar with what the concept is of this, because there's areas that you can place ads. Right? So you can go in here and say, I want to add some affiliate code. There's the code. I want to call it iPad. Now nobody sees the name of the program, so you can put this up in any way, shape, or form that you want. It's going to give you a picture here. Now you can see how that's thin, right? It's not a wide banner, it's a thin one, so it could go on one of the menus on the left or right, okay, because it'll fit in there. So all you do is you just want to pick your placement, left menu top, left menu bottom, just so we can see it easier. I'm just going to put it in here. Keep an idea of the order. You can order it any way you want, and you can see the website. And you'll notice it should show up nicely right here. Okay, and normally you should see an image in there. I guess you're not right now, but normally you should see the image of the iPad. All right. There's other things that you can do that are more powerful by, of course, adding an entire storefront in here. And you can do that all through this site where you say products, banners, link to any page. So the link to any page is the one that's going to give you an entire product line. Okay, so you can go into, say that we wanted to do home improvement. And you can name the link whatever you want. Call it home improvement. Essentials. So general bestsellers. Okay, and get that. And then this is the one where you don't want to put the link in if you don't, if you know what you're doing and you're happy with HTML, that's fine. But the simple part here is you copy this, pull up a notepad on your computer. All right, so just call it notepad, paste it in, and all you're wanting to do for linking to the store is this big long thing right here. All right, so you go href equals, and I know this is gibberish. Don't worry about it. You just want to go from the HTTPS all the way to where it ends. Okay, and then you right click and copy it. Now you have an entire store that you can link to from your website. Okay, so again, you can go to website management. You can set up your store right here. See where it says set up store? Put that in. Remember, paste the whole link in here, and we can call it whatever you want. The essentials, right? Home improvement store. That's what I would call it. Put it under affiliate programs. You could create something called stores if you want. I'll just leave it there. That's fine for me. Create the store link. And there we go. So now if you go down, you can see on my website, which I'll hit refresh. And I have it under affiliate programs right here. Oh, I see what's going on now. So we want to slide under there and home improvement store. And that takes it, that goes to my store. That's mine. So if anybody clicks on that link off my site and goes here, they're purchase anything, period, at Amazon, I would get a small affiliate commission for that sale. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Now you can even do banners and things. They provide you with links and stuff. You can even go beyond that, because say that we just went to Fire TV here and choose the size below. I'm waiting for it to load still. I don't know why it's not loading any links for me, but I guess they don't have any banners for that. Banner links by category. Okay, so say that we just rotating banners, campaigns, stuff like that. You can add all of this through site. Now you also have the ability, if you wanted to, you can copy an image to your hard drive and then use our image hosting. But I'm going to save that for the eBay stuff. But you have that ability, and like I'm recording all of this, so I'll show you what that's like. So let's do that now. Let's go away from Amazon stores and let's go to eBay. eBay stores are neat. All you have to do is type in, you can go into the eBay section of our member area here, rolling along under website management, eBay storefront, and you can sign up for the eBay partner network. I'm just going to log into my eBay area here. And what I do is I just sign in with Google. Just makes it easier. Now, this is your eBay Partner Network area, where you can do the same thing that I just did with Amazon. And I will make a comment here. A lot of these companies sell you these pre-built eBay stores and pre-built Amazon stores. I'm not a big fan of those. They're very complicated. They use things called APIs and all this stuff. What I would rather do is just log in here and grab what I want, because you can link to entire stores in both eBay and Amazon. So you can see that we have a link generator, smart links, creative generator, and this is the one that will do like play with these, just play with them. And then we go from there. You don't want to do API or anything unless you really know what you're doing, but I go creative generator. And I'm doing this one because somebody asked me about images and things, and how do we do images if they just give you the image and you wanted to add that to your site somewhere, right? So you can use our image hosting and then create a link to sneakers. So in other words, you go like this, you say, okay, right click, and you save the image on your hard drive. So you would create an area in your hard drive. I'm not even going to use Dropbox. I'll just go into here and I'll say new folder and call it eBay banners. Okay, so you just put it anywhere on your hard drive, and this is called shoes or whatever. I think it was called, let me see what that was called. What did they call this? Oh, let me slide that away. Sneakers, guarantee on sneakers. So you just, I don't want to name it that big huge thing there. So we back up and we call it sneakers, right? So now the image is on my hard drive. Now what I want to do is I want to go to an area called sneakers and create a link to it. I think you could probably even click on the banner. Maybe there could be a link to that area. Okay, so they're just showing me the image. So what you can do now is you can do a link generator. Say eBay, eBay, I don't know, eBay AT, US, probably in the US. campaign name, link action, link text, wherever you want the link to go to. Let's say home page. Let's go to search results, keyword sneakers. I don't know anything else. Let's see if we can, if it'll let us generate the link here. What else do they want? Category. Seems fine. Create a new campaign. Just call it default campaign. Generate a link. Okay, so I'm just going to do this part right here, just something basic, quick. And it'll probably give me a link to sneakers here. So again, the same thing. We want to grab this right here. You see this where the link is? So HTML, probably easier to go HTML. So what I want to do is I want to grab the link. Look at all this. Quite complicated, but goes all the way through here. Maybe that's it there, Cache Buster. I'm not sure what Cache Buster means. Let's just preview it. Probably the easiest way to do it is this way. Then you can copy this link right here. See that link at the top? And we'll say copy. Okay, so that's the link that I want to generate from an image, right? So the image can be hosted through the image hosting system that we have. So I'm going to do that part first. eBay sneakers. And remember, the eBay sneakers doesn't show up anywhere. That's just for you. So I'm going to choose File, which is on my hard drive. Remember, I put it under Downloads, and then I called it eBay. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to upload the image. Okay, so the image is now uploaded, eBay sneakers. So there it is to test it. You can see what it looks like here. So there it is. Now, here's the thing. Now I want to link, I want to put this thing on my site, right? And I want to link it to that link that I found. So what you can do is you can go eBay sneakers. You can copy this. And now you could go into your content management area, like your website management, and you have some different choices. If you know HTML, you can go to the Affiliate Center, or you can set it up on your page, create a page of different links to different things that you want. It's totally up to you. In the Affiliate Center, you can simply say add affiliate code. Call this, I'm just going to do the same thing, eBay sneakers. And the link to the image is this. So let me show you a little trick that I do to create code that makes all this work. Okay, this is a neat little trick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Website Management in another tab. And we're going to borrow the content, the editor here, because this is really neat. So to create the code for the image, we create on the image. And I know this is advanced, but I promised the guy that asked me about this I would show it. And you can re-watch this many, many times. So the image link to the image is here, right? Now you want to say, well, if people click on this link, where are they going to go? Right? Where do they go? Okay, so we have to have a link. Oh, well, there's a URL, and I just happen to have a URL, don't I? Remember this one? So I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go back to that my site here. Oops, this one. And I can put it in there, and I can say I want the target to be a new window, so they create another tab. All right, so look at this. Watch this little trick now. Now I say source. So I don't have to do any coding. I could just grab this part here. Don't need the paragraph thing. And I say copy. Now we can go back to here, because this is code, right? So all I gotta do, whoop, paste that, get rid of that. I can just paste this in and then save it. Voila! If somebody clicks on this now, they go to eBay sneakers for me. I know that was complicated. Okay, so of course you place the code wherever you want and all that stuff. But that's just one thing you can do with your eBay stores. You can really take some time out and learn this stuff. Okay? The next thing, and I know that was complicated, so say that we want to do something a little easier. Say we go to Tools and do smart links or smart placements, RS feed, promotion and sales. You can go through these different things and promote the event. I don't know how. I've never done this before, but I'm just going to click on Promote Event, and hopefully it loads a link up for me. I'm not quite sure today's deals. I think it's supposed to go somewhere, but it's not. Copy link, not going anywhere. So maybe it puts it on my clipboard. Be a good one. Yeah, there you go. So I think it's putting it on a clipboard. No, it's not. Here's how to get started. So there you go. Probably read that. And what is a promotion? How does this work? I'm not going to sit here for 10 minutes and figure it out, but you can go through these different things, and I think maybe you would click on this if you want to promote this item, and it should give you a link somewhere. I'm not sure why it's not. Maybe, I don't know why it's not. I guess the simplest thing to do is just go there and then copy the link from the top. Might work, right? So there's your link. You can promote this all you want just by grabbing that link up there and posting it. You could grab a picture of the glasses if you want. Same idea as before. Okay, so with these stores, you can take some time and just create links and images and full page links to any item that you want to promote. Okay, and learn all of this slowly. But what you'll find that is very helpful is as Christmas arrives, you could just take these links and promote them to your prospects. You could embed images using the image hosting, right? Because we give you the link to the image. You can go into your prospect emailer, and because it has an editor, and do what I did over here with this editor, right? You have that and it links because we have image hosting. All right. Okay, are there any questions about that? And yeah, Riel, I got that about the people don't know about the hour change. Yeah, that just kind of happened. We had something come up, so, but it's all recorded, which is the best part about Bootcamp Workshop, right? Everything's recorded. So those are the stores. My advice is if you're starting out, just do the links, you know, the links which I will be adding Amazon Builder, and what I'll do is down under website management under eBay storefront, I'll do the same type of a thing where you can paste a link in here, just like with the Amazon store. Okay. And I'll be updating. You see this eBay store, this help video, I'll update that because eBay has really come a long way since I've done this video, and that's why I wanted to do the workshop today about it. All right. Are there any questions about anything? I do know that the best thing that's happening right now with Worldprofit is people are getting it. They're understanding that you have to go to this training video and you have to do the video before you do anything else. And no shanty, everybody has access to the eBay store and to Amazon Builder. It's all silver members can use it. The most important thing to understand though is before you do these types of things, you have to learn to promote and you have to do the promotion. If you don't, Shanti, okay Shanti, you have to learn to do promotion. You have to learn to generate clicks. If you don't do that, you won't generate leads. The whole idea here, and I'm going to give this to you as a drawing because some people see drawings better. Here's your eBay store. I'm going to call this EB. And here's your Amazon store. Okay, AS. Some people say, well, if I learn how to do the promotion, do I just promote these to the safe lists and exchanges? No. The next question becomes, well, how do I get traffic to these sites? Should I go to Google, or should I go to, some fancy place that's going to send me all this traffic to these sites? Double no. So it begs a question, so what does George, me, what's my theory? How do you get traffic to these stores? Right? You don't use Google, you don't use Yahoo, you don't use Bing, you don't use Microsoft, you don't do any of that stuff. Okay, don't do any of that. What you do is you learn how to generate leads and build a list of people that you've brought in to either the associate program or your autoresponder or anything like that, and you create what's called a list. And you have a list of associates through Worldprofit Promotion. You could have a list of subscribers on your autoresponder using the auto-response system. And once you have this list, you can send them an email, sending them to either individual products or your website, and say, look at what I've got. Okay, so when you send the email to this list, you can email that list over and over again. Okay? Does that make sense? You can offer people, if you purchase something that I'm highlighting in my eBay store or my Amazon store or in ClickBank or JBZoo. Okay, so you got your JBZoo. It's supposed to be a Z there. See, does that look pretty good? There you go. The whole idea of these things is that you create a list of associates through promotion of the landing pages. They subscribe, and then you can send them, generally speaking, what I do is I send them individual products and say, hey, I thought you should take a look at this. This is a really cool product. You don't have to worry about writing the ads. The ads are written for you, right? When you go to ClickBank, go to JBZoo, you go to the Moneymaker Kit. See, we have the Moneymaker Kit. You can pick these products. I've already written the promos for you. All right? And you might say to me, so does this work? Right? Does this work? Well, let me show you it works. I'll go to JBZoo here. Look at this money. Do you see this? These are clicks that are generated slowly but surely through different methods. And if I say, okay, well, let's just go and look at some details here. Okay, so I can also look at, let's just look at the last 7 days of clicks. You see how there's clicks 291, 129. These are clicks from different lists and things like that. They're not just general clicks from the internet, right? They're done this way. There's a list called the Worldgram that I've created many, many years ago because somebody said to me, I don't believe your system. He said, you're one of those people that just tells people what to do and you don't actually do anything. And I said, yeah, you're right. In theory, I'm very sure this works because this is how we built Worldprofit. So I said, but I'll take you up on your offer. I will build a list, call it the Worldgram, and I will send things out to them. And it works. Makes money. Right? Not a lot. Not making millions of dollars, but I do this part-time. I'm busy with Worldprofit. But it does work and it generates income. But you have to do it the right way. People constantly do that. Oh, how do I get traffic to my eBay site? How do I get traffic to my ClickBank store? You do it after you've put the time in to build the list. Okay. Adrian says, how do I go about getting traffic to my site? Is the traffic site offered or do I have to pay access for it? Adrian, are you paying attention? If you're there, let me know. I see you're typing. This video right here will teach you how to generate traffic to any site. It's going to teach you how to build a list and then send that list information to get them anywhere you want. And of course, the other place you can send them is to your website. You know, send them right to your website. We got links to all these things. Okay, so that's how you do it. What I've introduced to people with this video, and Linda, thank you for this. These are called coveralls. You come into Worldprofit, some people, and they say, show me the golden egg. Show me the secret to all of this. And by the way, I don't plan on doing any work. So what I do is I come to them with a pail full of paint and a paintbrush and some coveralls, and I say, you got to work. You have to do this part right over here. You have to actually build a list by promotion. And you know what they do? They run so fast. They run away from me so fast that you can't even see them. And what do? They go to the next brand new shiny thing they see that says, make $1 million, never work, don't do anything, just pay 100. Okay? They want the, I'm going to pay 100 and make 10,000 in a week. Right? Let me take a pill and lose 25 pounds. That's the bad side of marketing. The good side of marketing is when you tell people the truth right from the start. You're going to have to work. Oh, can I get a YouTube video going and create a channel and have millions of people? Yeah, you can. It's going to take you about 3 or 4 years and a studio and hard work. If you want to go that way, it's the same thing. That you will not find any day, in any way, shape, or form, a way to make money online without the pail full of paint and a paintbrush and coveralls where you have to work. Okay, so trust me on this one. After 25 years, it's all right here in front of you, but you have to apply the video. You have to say to yourself, what am I doing right now? I'm building a business here, because this is your list, right? Associates, could be to your autoresponder, totally up to you, right? So folks, I'm going to sign off. Unless there's other questions, what do we do with people who do our website and can't access it because of non-secure? There's no such thing, Shanti. There's no such thing. You can go to any website you want. There's no problem with that. If you're interested in securing your website, we have that option. It's right here under Website Management called SSL Certificate, right there. You can click on that and you can find out all about it. There is no such thing in existence where a person goes to your site that's HTTP and they can't get to it. It's impossible. Right? No such thing. Doesn't exist. So Avian says, building a list is only offered to Platinum members? No, Avian, it's offered to all members. Avian, please, I'm begging now. Watch this video. It applies to everybody, every member. Doesn't matter if you're silver or platinum. You just watch the video and do the video. The list, if you're talking about the autoresponder, well then yeah, that's for platinum people. But you don't need the autoresponder to be successful at all. You do not. That's just an add-on, okay? So this right here is the thing. Yeah, if you go to the site without secure, it always comes up as HTTP. Watch, HTTP. Watch. So here I go to my site, it says not secure, right? So what? That means that I shouldn't put my credit card in at the site. I don't have a credit card, right? But if you want a secure SSL, You can look it up under website management, and it can be secured forever. It's totally up to you. And yeah, if you have a total defense or something and it's blocking that site, well then don't use it. Use Kaspersky. You're having something block sites on you. I wouldn't use anything that blocked a site. I would never use that. I take it off my computer. It's like somebody selling you glasses, and your glasses are, one of them's black, right? Closes your eye and you're like, whoa, I can't see anything here, man. I'd take the glasses and throw them in the garbage. Well, it's up to you, Shante. You can keep it if you want. I would suggest Kaspersky. I'd never use something like that. Bobby Joe says, what do we do? Well then, if it's one of those things that's just working on your brain, just go up here and go to website management and click on SSL right here. You find out all about it. You can purchase a certificate. We maintain it and manage it for you. Then you'll have the secure up here. Make it go away by purchasing the service. Totally up to you. Yeah, and you can rewatch. The reason it's not included with the silver is because we have to go through and fill out certain documentation for the site, and then we have to manage and maintain the secure certificate every 3 months, and we do that for you. You don't have to pay for that. So it's something that we do, and we pay. We pay for a license to cover the websites that we have. We actually have a license that we've paid for to be able to do this. So Bobby Joe, what you need to do is ask them. I don't know. You need to say to them, why are you getting a big red bulb on your thing? So anyways, folks, I'm going to sign off now. I have a couple of urgent things that I have to attend to. That's why I did the boot camp early. Okay, so like I said, my advice to you is don't worry about this stuff. You guys are wasting your time worrying about SSL and all this stuff right now if you're not bringing in leads. All right? If you're not bringing in leads and following this at this point in time, don't be worrying about your website and the SSL. That's just gonna ruin your whole day. Okay? Focus on lead generation. Right? That's where 100% of your focus should be. Once you get a couple of months under your belt, then start picking around these other things. Somebody says to you, I get a big red light when I go to your site. Say, well then contact your browser person. Something's wrong with your computer. You know, just don't worry about it. Just tell them, well then I'll get other people to go there. You know, that's how you do it. Okay, so thanks a lot everybody. Have a great weekend. And again, if you have any issues, please fill out a support ticket. And also make sure that you take a look at this. Worldprofit turns 25. It's our birthday special. Okay, this is a huge event. And it ends after summer. Okay, usually after August actually. Okay, thanks a lot.